Ever feel like you're stuck in a cycle, working a 9 to 5, paycheck to paycheck, barely making a dent in your debt, and wondering how you're supposed to ever retire? You're not alone. In fact, most people over 40 are feeling that exact same pressure. And most of them will stay broke unless they make one important shift. Here's the truth. No one tells you. Your job wasn't designed to make you rich. It was designed to keep you comfortable. But that comfort, it's an illusion. Wages are flat. Cost of living are skyrocketing. Retirement plans are underfunded. And that security we were promised is gone. In fact, 63% of Americans can't even cover a $500 emergency. If you're in your 40s and 50s, even 60s, and you're realizing the system isn't working anymore, you're not crazy. You're just waking up. So what can you do about it? You create a new plan, one that doesn't rely on the old rules. That's where I discovered a digital marketing. No, I'm not talking about becoming an Instagram influencer or some tech wizard. I'm talking about using a simple, done-for-you digital product to start earning online. Even as a complete beginner. It's called the Legacy Builders Freedom Formula. And it's built for people just like us. People who don't have any time to waste, but know there's more out there. You don't need to quit your job tomorrow, but you do need to start something today. Watch my next video where I walk you through the exact blueprint I use to shift my income and take control of my future. If you're ready to stop surviving and start building, hit subscribe and check out the link in my description. You don't have to do this alone. Let's shift your money and your life together.